Hey guys, quick video here. I'm just gonna show y'all guys, like, I really do mean this when I say this, okay? I can get y'all guys the cheapest way to get three, and I mean three, 5-tier medals for a grand total price. I mean, it's gonna cost, but it'll take a long time before it ever happens. $1,210. Okay? $1,010 is the total, but it won't feel like you spent that money. It'll be in small amounts, okay? So check this out. That's the total amount of dollars you're going to spend. Bad circle. So here's the deal, alright? Each month, you get 2,000 gems. Alright? 2,000 gems per month. Okay? That's not including the 1,400 you do for the daily. Okay? The daily. So check this out. That is 3,400 jewels per month, because daily jewels now happen once per month. I only did it in one intervals. It might be 2 a month. Some people said it was 2 a month. I don't know, but 2 a month does happen. So I won't only count this for one during this time. But so this is what I mean. All right, it is $15. All right, see that? $15. A week. Let's put that down. A week, alright? I know some people can't spend that, but if you can, this is the cheapest way you can do this, alright? Okay, so 4 a week, once per month. Alright, 2 here. 60, alright? $60 a month. If you're willing to spend that within 7 months, it'll come out to $420. Okay, each time. So check this out. Alright, you might like this. Alright, if you do this, and say within that 7-month time, within 3 months, the double daily jewels will hit on the month. So that's 14. Let's separate this. 14 times, let's see here, 3, that will happen because it adds, 12, 3, 4. 4,200 extra jewels, okay, if that happens within the 3-month time, which I guarantee you it will, or it will happen more than that. So check this out. $60 worth a month is 12,000 gems. Okay? 12,000 plus 3,400. That month. 4, 5, 15. You will get that in 1 month time. To gilt a medal in the 5-pull draw, it will take 105,000 flat gems. All right, I have a box here, so it's hurting my handwriting here. But here's the deal. All right, you get that per month, right? So check this out. 15,400 times 7 28, 35, 36, 37, 7, 10. There you go. You get 107,800 gems within 7 months' time doing that. Alright? So check this out. 107, 800, subtract that, you are left with 2,800 joules. But check this out. I forgot to add our 4,200. 10, 3, 7. 7,000 joules will be remaining in your deal once you are done. That will be a total, but within that 7-month time, $420. But you didn't spend the $420 each on that day. You did it in intervals of 15 every single week. So it doesn't feel like you spent the true $420. It's just the feeling, and that's the good news. That way you won't be spending that much money, but that's how much you will totally spend on this. But you will get a 5-tier gilted metal, which will dominate the game. You have a 5-tier gilted metal, you will dominate for a good while. Now check this out. You have 7,000 joules left. Now this time I'm not going to write anything. I'm just going to explain. In fact, if I do write something, I'm just going to rip this off and then use a new sheet. So here's the deal. You have 7,000, I'm just going to write anyway, 7,000 gems left, right? Check this out though. You have space now with 7,000 joules. That's 2 pulls right there. 2 pulls right there. So check this out. That means, say that you don't spend $15 that last week. That last week you don't spend $15, right? And you use one of the 3,000 that you have in the slot already. So minus 3,000. That is 4,000 joules remaining. But that, you know what that means? The $420 you spent last time minus 15. Look at that. 405 you spent on this tier metal. So $15 cheaper than the last one. But check this out. Same thing applies for the next one. Now this is the last one. Unless you want to do this again, you would have to save it twice in order for it to do another 15 down. So check this out. 4,000. Alright? 4,000. Plus what you do last time. Because like the same thing applies. So I'm going to add the 4,000 in there already. The 2,000 because I need to add those extras in. I'm just going to do it anyway. 8,200 plus 1,700. Boom. 816. 116 joules you will have left. Check that out. 116 joules the next time you do this the third time. This is the third one, okay? So minus the 105 used for gilt. Let's see here. You'll have 11,000 joules left. And say that you want to use 2 pulls, right? So 11 minus 6,000. That is, lo and behold,